Hello, in front of me I've got Nubia Red Magic 5S. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay app. Tap blue button at the bottom of the screen and focus on loyalty, gift card and public transport. Firstly, let's enter a loyalty card and select loyalty card you would like to add, for example Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Now, let's select gift card and similar to loyalty card, select shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap save. And in the end, we've got public transport. If you are able to find your public transport selected, you'll be redirected to website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.